Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Huawei Nova Y61. And to do this we'll need to play some music and locate all of the speakers. Then cover each of the speaker with a finger. If the sound is coming from two speakers, that's a stereo speakers. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. So let's find the speakers on this device. One right here, that's the microphone, I'm guessing. Here's a phone call speaker. At the bottom we also have a microphone. We're gonna check if that's a speaker, but I don't think so. And that's basically it. Now let's try playing some music and we're gonna check. So clearly sound is coming from this speaker and this one as well, and that confirms it. It's a stereo speakers on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.